puro tayo Pilipino, sir. Pilipinas to. Dumaan ako, mayor, congressman, yung presidente ako. So, more or less, medyo kapa ko yung ano. But, let me start by saying talagang hardliner ako. Bigso siguro sa disiplina rin nung bata pa kami, nanay ko na pag nagkasala ka noon, talagang 5 oras ka dyan sa altar na kaganon. So, yung ano namin, kanya-kanya tayo ano, nung na mayor ako, gusto ko yung tama lang. At gusto ko protektahan yung pamilya ko, the city of Davao, yung mga tao, na huwag mong saktan. Kaya yung mga kriminal na nag-warning na ako, tapos they persisted, lalo na sa droga. Alam mo, sir,
yes, Mr. Chair, in the interest of time, with all due respect, pwede po bang matanong yung follow-up question sa CHR?
Sige, sige.
No, I'm asking Mr. Chair.
Sige ako, ma'am. Yeah, Mr. President, sige, thank you for the input. Sige, can we continue with the chairman of the CHR? Sabi mo, may direct, in addition to EO number 2, na-encounter ninyo mga problema, may directive from the PNP leadership. Can we give the documentation? Which one?
Ang isa ho, yung memorandum, memorandum dated July 28, 2017, isinite po ito ng Internal Affairs Service ng Philippine National Police sa pag-deny ng aming request and subpoena for documents. Meron din ho mga verbal instructions coming from the alleged superiors ng mga chief of police.
Okay, are you encountering the same problems or reasons as of the moment when you want to find out what happened from the station?
Sa ngayon po, kasi after the House of Representatives initiated the hearings on AJK, nagkaroon kami ng opportunity to speak up with the PNP Human Rights Affairs Office, and we brought up the issue. And we were hoping na magiging cooperative ang Philippine National Police this time. Kaya lang nung sumulat po kami, ganun pa rin po, ayaw pa rin nila mag-provide ng...
May I just... Ganun pa rin, yan ang testimony mo yun sa atin, ganun pa rin ngayon.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Mr. Chairman, I would just like to ask the report lang, Senator Batonov, just one quick interview.